Hi Knights! In this video, we will review assignments within Webcourses at UCF. You will learn how to access the assignments index page, submit an assignment, add a comment to your assignment, read an instructor's comment on your assignment, and review your assignment grade. Open a course that uses assignments. Click Assignments in the course navigation menu to open the assignments index page. Note, not every course will have the assignments link in the course navigation menu. Your instructor determines which links appear in the course navigation menu. At the top of the assignments index page is a search bar where you can search for assignments by assignment name. At the top right of the assignments index page are two buttons that allow you to filter your assignments either by date or by type. If you are filtering your assignments by date, assignments can be organized into 4 different sections: overdue assignments, upcoming assignments, undated assignments, and past assignments. If your instructor has organized assignments into groups, you can use the Show by Type button to view the assignments grouped by type. For example, in this sample course, the instructor divided assignments into 3 groups: case studies, exams, and course assignments. To begin an assignment, click on the assignment title. The assignment details page includes the assignment title, the due date, the number of points assigned, the submission requirements, and any instructions for the assignment. To submit an assignment, click on the Submit Assignment button. For this example, we'll be uploading a Word document as our submission. Click on the Choose File button to browse for your document on your computer. You can also submit a file that you've previously uploaded to Webcourses at UCF by selecting the Click here to find a file you've already uploaded link. If you want to leave your instructor a comment with your submission, type your comment in the comments text box. Click the Submit Assignment button to complete your submission. Once you have submitted your assignment, a brief overview of your submission is located at the top right of the screen. If your assignment was turned in late, it will be indicated next to the submission date. To see the full details on your assignment submission, click the Submission Details link. If your instructor leaves any comments on your assignment submission, you can view them here. If you uploaded a file to your submission, you can click the Download link to download the submitted file. You can also resubmit your assignment by clicking the Resubmit Assignment button. Note, if you resubmit an assignment, you will only be able to view your most recent submission. Instructors will be able to view each of your submissions. Once your instructor has graded your assignment, your grade will appear in the sidebar of the assignment details page. You can also view your grade by going to the Grades section of your course. For more information on navigating the Grades section, watch the Manage Your Grades video. Remember to check your courses frequently to ensure you don't miss any assignments. Thank you for watching this video on submitting assignments within Webcourses at UCF. If you have any questions, please contact Webcourses at UCF support for assistance. Charge on!